Ever wondered how to turn your garden into a magical moonlit paradise? Welcome to the world of moon gardens, a nighttime oasis that not only adds beauty to your landscape, but attracts pollinators and offers a tranquil space for relaxation. Bring out the lunar landscape artist in you by creating your own moon garden. Creating a moon garden is easier than you might think. Let's dive right into the enchanting process. Firstly, the secret to a captivating moon garden lies in its location. Find a spot in your garden that's generously kissed by moonlight. This will allow your chosen plants to bask in the lunar glow and reflect it back, creating a magical atmosphere. Next, it's time to select your moonlight performers, the plants. Choose those that bloom at night, showcasing their beauty when the sun sets. Opt for white or light-colored flowers like evening primroses or moonflowers that can reflect the moonlight and seem to glow in the dark. Don't forget to include fragrant plants. The scent of night-blooming jasmine or gardenias wafting in the evening air adds an extra sensory layer to your moon garden. It's not just about sight, but also about smell. Now, arrange your chosen plants in a way that maximizes their visibility and appeal. Consider the height and spread of each plant, ensuring that every one of them has its moment in the moonlight. Lastly, to further enhance the moonlit effect, weave in some ambient lighting. Solar-powered lights or soft lanterns can give your garden a gentle glow, even on moonless nights, making your garden a beacon of tranquility. With these steps, you can create a mesmerizing moon garden that glows under the moonlight. Now that you know how to create a moon garden, why not give it a try? Imagine the satisfaction of cultivating a space that glows in the moonlight. Embrace the magic of gardening day and night. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more garden inspiration. Happy gardening!